Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Heatmap on Tradingview. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to use Heatmap on Tradingview. So from this homepage, at the top corner, you're going to find these tabs, which include Products, Community, Markets, News, Brokers, and more. So go ahead and click on Product. Once you click on Product or just move your cursor to Product, you're going to find a couple of options which include Supercharts, Screeners, Heat Maps, Calendars, Options. Now go ahead and click on Heat Maps. Move your cursor to Heat Maps and you have Stocks, ETFs, and Crypto. So let's say Stocks. So let's look for the Heat Map for Stocks. The heat map is loading up. All right, so this is what the heat map for stores look like. Okay, for stocks rather, this is what it looks like. So this the heat map for Microsoft. You see the price and you see the price change. You see the volume. And you have the real volume, you have market cap, you have all of these things that, let me just exit this. You have all of these indices that can help you to analyze the stock and for you to see what exactly or how exactly it is doing. Now you can head over to this market and you can even change the market from here. All right, you can use it for the entire world. You can just narrow it down to specific markets, or you can head over to more markets and use the more market options. Now you can check revenue growth for these stocks, 50% and above, 25% and above. You can choose any of those options, or you can choose no revenue growth at all. This is PEG, so 2 and above, 2 and below, 1 and above. You can set that too. So this is how you can just narrow down your heat map experience. And then the return on equity, you can also narrow this down, and of course you have the beta option that you can narrow down. Watch list is available for this, and this is the indexes, prices, changes, market cap, and all of these options. Okay, so you can head over to product again and click on heat maps and click on crypto. Now, this is what the heat map for crypto looks like. Now, the crypto market, I don't want to say like if it's, because this actually doesn't really seem good because there's just the minus thing in here. So for this red, when it starts to show red and minus, it means it's down. All right, it means that the coins are not really doing well as of now, as at this time. It's not really performing well. When you see that green right next to it, it means it is doing absolutely well. So you see the green starts from 1% and then 2%, 3%. And see all of those things are just really not doing well as at this time. So this is how you can use this heat map. All right, you can even check the performance. So you can click on this to see the performance and analyze that. So that's pretty much the process. That is how you can use heat maps on Tradingview. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.